Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we'll be continuing our discussion with respect to questions pertaining to the quantitative aptitude section of the paper. So here we have another very interesting question for you. So let's take a look. Find the greatest 4-digit number which when divided by 4, 5, 6 and 7 leaves remainder 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so we need to find the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, so the greatest 4-digit number. Okay, now let me least 4-digit number is 1000 and greatest 4-digit number will be 9999. So our number should lie somewhere in between this. Okay, now the number, suppose the number being x. Okay, so when x is divided by 4 we get remainder 2. Okay, so difference here is of 2, that is x minus 2. Okay, similarly x when divided by 5 gives remainder 3, again difference is of 2, so x minus 2. Okay, similar condition exists for all. By 6 leaves remainder 4, x minus 2, and similarly x divided by 7 leaves remainder 5, again minus 2. Okay, so this is the case which we have observed in all these cases. So now if we talk about the least number which can be divided by 4, 5, 6 and 7, that can be given as LCM of 4, 5, 6 and 7. So that would be 20, 121, 20, 420. Okay, now what we need is basically our least number, our greatest 4-digit number would be of the form would be of the form 420 into k. Okay, that would be the form in this regards. Now let's try and understand something. Okay, suppose let me divide the greatest 4-digit number by 420 and see which is the closest multiple we can get. Okay, so suppose I take 999 and I will be dividing this by 420, 840. Okay, so 1599, so that would be 3. Okay, so 23. Okay, so yeah, so this 23 when multiplied by 420, this would give me the greatest 4-digit number. So therefore our required number or x would simply be 420 into 23, that is 9660, and this minus 2, this is x, so minus 2, that is 9658. So this will be our answer. Okay, so 9658. So if we simply divide it, you can check it for yourself. So 55 last 2 digit, yes. For 5 we have 3 as remainder. For 4, 56 would have been perfectly divisible by 458. Again there's a reminder. If we go with 6, so 96 is divisible. Again 54, again 4 is the remainder, and with 7, okay, again if we go by the same, minus 2, that is 58. 5 is the remainder. So all the conditions satisfied, so this will be our answer. So I hope this question is clear to you with the approach and everything. So in case you have any doubt, kindly go through the same. I don't think you should face much of an issue as far as the process and everything is concerned regarding the question. Okay. So any doubt with same, you go through the question and try to get the gist of the explanation involved so that we can get a clear understanding on the approach involved. Okay. Now, having said that, if you are looking for detailed solution of the entire paper, feel free to connect with us. We'll be more than happy to provide you with the same. So, any doubt with respect to any subject, any competitive exam preparation, or any concept on which you feel the requirement of our expertise that you need any explanation upon, feel free to let us know in regards to that as well, and we'll be there to help you out in all these cases. Okay. So, please do feel free to connect with us. Now, having said all of that, if you like the video, make sure you like, share and subscribe to the channel so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll be continuing our discussion on the similar sort of question in the subsequent videos where we'll try and focus a bit more on questions. So now I'll signing out. Thank you so much.